Hey guys, I'm at Mount Shasta. It's a spectacular day. It's also the furthest up the mountain I've gone. It does feel a bit different this time. I think the energy is just clear in general, and I've gotten to connect with the community. It's a smaller crowd as people have cleared out a little bit as the summer's come to a close. But I think with a small regional rainbow in town and a few of the more dedicated people here, it's going to be quite a time. So I wanted to take a few moments really just to commemorate this trip. It's my first time back at Shasta in a few months. It's a place I've wanted to come back to, intended to come back to, but once you leave and one thing leads to another, it can really take some time to get back. So, let's just commemorate this moment together, and we're just going to meditate for a few moments here. So you can begin by closing your eyes, getting into a comfortable position, and just be open to whatever energies come through from the mountain for you. You can chant Om along with me. Om, Om, Om. Just keep your eyes closed and bask in the energy of the mountain. We have all Telos behind us there. We're just letting the mountain hold some space for us. Continue to breathe, relax, take nice and slow breaths in and out. And now we're going to ramp up the energy, just so we can feel whatever the mountain may have in store for us. So just sit back and relax and let the energy come in. You can let some of those old mental patterns begin to unlock in your head. Unlock and release, and tend to release. Tend to begin to restore yourself to your original blueprint. Okay, so I hope that was nice for you. Gentle way to begin the day, or perhaps finish the week. It's an incredible day out here, perfectly blue skies. I've also been exploring more around the mountain, which is something I wanted to do before, and I think there's a lot on the other side of this mountain. I've seen some very interesting things, and we may explore some of that together in the coming days and weeks. Okay?